Hope you're ready for this breaking crypto news. First up, what is your average billionaire doing during this crypto winter? We know the market's soft. We know the outlook isn't great. We know it's great to stay hedged. But what are the billionaires doing? What they're saying is that everything's on sale. Reddit founder Galaxy and Genesis execs raised big money. They're creating a fund called Crypto set to capitalize on the current bear market when it launches in October. They see the future. They know the bear market will not last forever, and they want to capitalize on it. And everything is truly on sale, the good and the bad. So the goal is to find the highest quality assets. Let's take a look at the price action of Bitcoin because it's speaking to where we're going in the short term. This is Bitcoin's price in black mapped on top of these bottoming out indicators. Bitcoin's never gone below these lines, but whenever it does, it's a true bottom. So here, around here, and here. Right now, we are just flirting with it. We've been flirting with it for a while now. But if Bitcoin were to retest this lower bound, which it looks likely to do in this environment, then it would hit 15K, maybe 14K, 16, somewhere in that range. That is very possible as one last flush out to shake out the weak hands so that the big money can buy them up even cheaper. Now here's an update on some of these revolutionary assets. You have to stay on top of the data in this crypto winter. Here's an update on Ethereum name service. Secondary trading volume, Q2, absolutely massive. Very small trading volume on the secondary market up until Q2. Now Q3 still strong. Maybe we'll get another of these big spikes here. But those are the .eth domain names. If you believe in the Ethereum ecosystem, then the ENS token governs the .eth domain names, which are very popular. Nike's bought one. Here's an update on Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic sees massive increase in hash rate ahead of merge event. We know Ethereum's moving to proof of stake, which means no more mining on Ethereum. So they're all probably going to move to the next proof of work blockchain that Vitalik Buterin endorsed, which is Ethereum Classic, and the hash rate is going up. One nugget for you is that once Ethereum moves to proof of stake, there's not going to be any more selling pressure from miners. So what happens is miners would mine Bitcoin and sell it, dump it on the market, right? That would cause selling pressure and the price to be weaker. Well, that's all going away once this merge happens. That is one bullish way to look at the new merge that Ethereum is going through. Obviously, hopefully that all works out. Here's an update from Decentraland. Welcome to the metaverse Dolce & Gabbana Disco Drip Collection available on OpenSea. These are wearables that Dolce & Gabbana is designing in Decentraland. Absolutely massive connections for Decentraland. There's a reason why it's so successful. Maybe because one of the co-founders is part of the World Economic Forum, which is where the global elites go. Maybe. We'll have to stay on top of these deep connections that Decentraland has because the corporate adoption of Decentraland is absolutely massive. Speaking of huge corporate adoption, Bud Light and NFL Ultimate Fandom Collection. They're creating NFTs. Your Bud Light NFL digital collectible will be your entry pass into our Survivor Pick'em game that unlocks weekly rewards. What has bigger ratings in the USA than NFL football, right? These ads are going to be plastered everywhere, and every time Bud Light, which is a massive sponsor of the NFL, talks about its NFTs, it's going to be good for the Flow blockchain. And so great news for Flow, very early stage. If these assets, these NFTs actually are sold on the Flow blockchain. Here's an update from the meme community. We have to look at every dark corner under every single rock to truly get a good handle on what is going on in crypto, right? Well, another project has chosen to sponsor a farm on Babydoge swap. We know Babydoge is launching a swap. Well, projects are lining up because the Babydoge community is huge. Mu Inu is a sponsor. So they're creating a massive community on the Babydoge swap. And so it's just the snowball effect is continuing. Just more and more sponsors are happening. Very good for the Babydoge ecosystem. Again, meme community, very exciting. Lots of stuff going on. Clearly in this bear market, no one wants to even look at them, but we will stay on top of everything in this space.